Makita PA 18 volt battery. It's a 1.3 amp hour battery. It's for my torch, but the actual batteries inside have decreased in voltage. A shite. So I've got a Torx bit. Took all the Torx screws out. As you can see, they're mucky. Took all them out and do it one hand. Can't. Shite. And you take it out. Now you have your bank of little batteries, and after you've done that, you can chuck it in the bin because it's rubbish. And what's the point of wasting solder on something that old? Or even spending money on getting new batteries and things like that. Yeah, I'm thinking about getting some batteries like them, that type of battery, to actually make a battery bank for it. I thought it's cheaper to buy a new one and easier. And that is going in the bin. Spot on. Thank you.